Prepare to be blown away by the stunning beauty of the colors in today's video. Get ready for an amazing display of creativity and artistry. We are here to brighten your day with colors. Today, we will go on a colorful journey of extraordinary beauty. What if I told you that a blank page can be a masterpiece? Stay tuned to find out. Color is the language of the soul, and today, we will let our souls speak. Wait in your seats, because we will reveal the beauty of colors that will amaze you. Prepare to witness the beautiful power of color as we transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Today's video isn't just about coloring, it's about creating a visual symphony. Prepare to ride a roller coaster of creativity, where every twist and turn reveals a burst of beautiful color. Join me as we enter a world where imagination knows no boundaries, and color is our guide. Today, we will paint a masterpiece so extraordinary it will leave you speechless. Color has the power to evoke emotions, and today, we're going to take you on an emotional roller coaster. In a grayscale world, we are artists who can create a world of wonder with just a touch of color. Hold on to your brush, because we're about to unleash a burst of color that will leave you satisfied and delighted. Canvas is our playground, and today, we will create a masterpiece that challenges the imagination. From monochrome to bright, we'll transform a blank canvas into a work of art that will blow your mind. Find peace and tranquility in every stroke of your coloring masterpiece. The colors of relaxation are just a few strokes away. Discover the art of mindfulness through the joy of coloring. Today, we're trading stress for colors that heal. Let's escape the chaos of life and dive into the world of coloring therapy. Experience the joy of coloring as it washes away your stress. In this video, we're turning stress into beautiful works of art. Find peace and tranquility in every stroke of your coloring masterpiece. The colors of relaxation are just a few strokes away. Discover the art of mindfulness through the joy of coloring. Get ready to unwind, relax, and find inner peace with the magic of coloring. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You can also donate to support this channel. The PayPal link is in the description. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.